We decided to sell the farm and hit the road. We're on an adventure of a lifetime with our 2 horses, our 2 motorcycles, and our 2 dogs. I'm Rhonda, and this is Jay. We are Pleasure Ride RV. Hit the subscribe button to follow on our next adventure. So when we were in Indiana, we come to find out that our ramp door that the horses were using to go in and out was completely rotted underneath the wood. It was one thing that maybe we should have checked when we redid the floor in the trailer, but we didn't, and now we're paying for it. So Jason ripped all the door apart. Come to find out just how rotted it was. Pictures, you can see in the pictures just how bad it was. So we had bought some metal, and Jason here welded up a new door. We have all new metal. It is double the thickness of what it was before. We triple thicknessed the stuff at the bottom here. Like, we went maybe a little overkill, but
no such thing as overkill.
But for the safety of the horses, we weren't taking any more chances, so we had the welder come. He put the hinges on because Jason wasn't quite comfortable with his welding skills as to whether...
Oh, come on now. Don't be that way. We're dealing with a cheap welder.
Yeah, my husband. That's the cheap welder.
Okay, whatever.
So we had new hinges put on. That's and they're twice the size of the other ones. So here's to not having any more problems. What do you think?
I don't want to think. It costs too much money to think.
Yeah, it's been an expensive adventure, but when it's done, it's going to be exactly the way we want it.
There's still flaws that you find.
Well, there's already a few flaws that I want to change in the trailer, just coming down to Alabama. We're in Alabama, so. But yeah, there's already a few things that I want to change, do different, reinforce, etc., etc. But yeah, this was a #1 priority, so we've been here for over a week just working at getting this done. So Jason's just putting the cables back on for the door so we can open and close it easier. It's
she's sure heavy.
She's a heavy door. Jay and I had to lift it to put it up here. So yeah, so that's what we're doing. That's what we're trying to accomplish while we're here in Alabama. Next stop is another place in Alabama that we're going to stay at next week. So this is the horses are mooch docking on the lawn. So this is the new hinges and the new metal, and it is heavy duty. Heavy duty. Shouldn't have any more issues.
Hopefully.
So now I'll give you a quick tour of the trailer again, now that it's more daylight than the last video. So we have hooks up here for the wheelbarrow. The wheelbarrow goes behind the horses, so it's awesome. Great idea. So when we drop the door, the ramp, we can clean up the poop, take the wheelbarrow out, and then unload the horses or load the horses. So this is the stalls. We put pool noodles on the cables. They're getting used to it. Eventually we won't have to use the pool noodles anymore. But this is the stalls. This is Oakley's side. These latch in. Okay, latch in. Then there's my bike. I cover it because Oakley likes to throw his hay on my bike. Little bugger that he is. And then we have the trailer. We have the trailer there. We have a bag of shavings in between. We keep our feed. We have a big space in between the 2 bikes there. So we have a bunch of bags of feed, and then Jay's bike, and then we have, I'll show you on the other side, the saddle racks that we have. And then we have hangers for their blankets. Oakley's is up there, and Honey's. And then all of our spray bottles, I moved them, put them below the door because they were falling off from over here. And over here is where we keep our wound cleaners, supplements, syringes, my farrier equipment's up there, and all that sort of stuff. We just hang all that there.
Now I got a lot of complaints on our video about not having enough airflow. Well, we got the 4 windows, plus we got a fan up above that blows air downward.
Now we got this fan, and it blows, I don't know. Do we have anything we can show how much it blows there, Jay?
Well, there's kind of low too. Yeah.
Let me see. My hair blowing. Does my hair blow?
Yeah.
So I'll show you how much this fan blows. Here's a bag that I just hung up here.
And you can also turn around and
Suck the heat out.
it'll suck upwards.
So it's a reverse fan, down or out.
We got our outside light switch, and then we also have this light switch for this light, and then we have one above the horses. And now if Rhonda goes to the back, this switch here has big bright lights for backing up at night.
I'll go show you the back lights.
And this is my buddy Jimmy.
Jason. So those are the backup lights for at night. I don't know if you can see that very well during the day. So this is the front of the trailer ramp. And so Jay's bike is in the very back, or in the very front. And then we have our Aussie coach hanging. We have a battery system for the lights. And then this is our tech. We have it's out of our old horse trailer, so they hang up there. So it's easy access. Drop the front door, grab our saddles and our tech, and go for a ride. So this is our setup. So I hope you enjoyed our video of our setup and the joys of doing a new door ramp. So we wanted to thank Jim and Wanda Froshi for the amazing hospitality that they have given us. Over the years, we've known them for well over 20 years. They've been great people to us, and we've been mooch stocking on their property every time we come down south. So we just wanted to say a special thank you to Jim and Wanda. So if you've never followed us before, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to do what we do, showing people where you can camp with horses, and show you the trails and the way in and what the place looks like. So,
or if you just want to check out how we camp, period.
Yeah.
You don't have to be a horse lover to subscribe.
There you go. And don't forget,
Live,
love,
ride.